Aprann Koulè yo. Aprann Koulè yo. Aprann Koulè yo.
Let's learn some colors.
Ki couleur ciel la ye?
What color is the sky?
Bleu. Bleu.
Blue.
Ki couleur nuage yo?
What color are the clouds?
Blanc.
White.
Ki couleur zeb la ye?
What color is the grass?
Vert.
Green.
Ki couleur wash yo ye?
What color are the rocks?
Gris.
Gray.
Ki couleur soleil la ye?
What color is the sun?
Jaune. Jaune.
Yellow.
Ki couleur kè yo ye?
What color are the hearts?
Rouge.
Red.
Ki couleur cochon yo ye?
What color are the pigs?
Rose.
Pink.
Ki couleur linette soleil la ye?
What color are the sunglasses?
Noir.
Black. Ça c'est tout Koulè ou Aprann jodi ya. These are all the colors you've learned today.
Don't forget to like, follow us, and subscribe on all our platforms. Bye!